This has CNN's annotations on it. I'm going to ignore their annotations. All right. So if you're not aware, Donald Trump was indicted today for a third criminal indictment. A third criminal indictment. This one is in relation to his quote unquote election interference. The violations alleged are 1, conspiracy to defraud the United States. Count 2, conspiracy to obstruct an official proceeding. Count 3, obstruction of and attempt to obstruct an official proceeding. And count 4, conspiracy against rights. So all of this is related to Donald Trump's actions surrounding the 2020 election. And his allegation that the 2020 election was stolen or interfered with in some way. Now, YouTube, for the purposes of this entire YouTube, you fags, I am going to state right now that this commentator is commentating on a specific legal issue involving allegations against a former president for his interpretation of the 2020 presidential election, potential election interference, and other things of that nature. I am not endorsing any particular element of any of the ensuing statements. I am talking specifically and strictly about the legal issues of bringing charges against a sitting president, or actually against a former president, for actions while he was sitting, for the purpose of constitutionally analyzing the validity of the charges. I don't give a shit what anyone thinks about Trump and election interference or Dominion and election interference. I don't give a shit. So YouTube, if your third world, non-English speaking retards decide to strike me for advocating something about the 2020 election, please translate into whatever Punjabi language they're speaking. Fist yourself, you fucking morons. I'm not advocating shit. I'm talking about a legal principle. And the fact that I have to give this stupid spiel to disclaim something that should be obvious and to tell YouTube, because I'm not telling you guys, I'm telling YouTube and their third-party contractors very specifically that I'm not making any claim at all. I don't care. It's irrelevant to me what the truth is. The only thing at issue for the purposes of this video in which I am talking about it is, can they even bring charges? And we're going to do an analysis around that. Now, there may be some incidental mention of something like election fraud or voter interference or Trump saying that votes were miscounted. Again, that's not me. That is the newsworthy story. How do I know it's newsworthy? Oh, I don't know. Every fucking outlet on the planet can't stop talking about it, and prosecutors around the country are masturbating into their own mouths about how they can fucking figure out who they can prosecute so they can elevate their own position. So while you're translating fist yourself into Punjabi, just go ahead and send it into faggy liberal Silicon Valley speak of fist yourself, but don't enjoy it this time. For you guys, fuck you, YouTube. I hate you. I hope you die. Hey, what's up, Rumble? How you doing? How you doing? There we go. Okay. So with that, let's get this indictment pulled up. All right, so here it is. On the right side, we're going to have CNN's notes. These are annotations by someone with an opinion. I don't know who wrote them. Zachary B. Wolf and Kurt Merrill. Who the fuck are these people? Let's just see if we should even care. Zachary B. Wolf. This is Senior writer, CNN Politics. Zach Wolf writes the... Oh my God. Can it not be a walking stereotype of embarrassment? Can it not be this? Can this not be the person that is writing that? Look at the fucking face. They're like, hey, Zach, we're going to take a picture. We're going to put it on our webpage to represent you when anybody looks you up. What do you want it to be? That's what you choose? That's the one? That's your shot?